So let's get to the more deeper questions. This question is in regards to the right approach of speaking about Gehinom to people. So some time ago, I saw some people criticizing others on social media. They would openly comment against people and tell like, oh, this guy is gonna go to Gehinom, and this woman is gonna go to Gehinom, and this and that. I know, of course, that Gehinom is real. I know, of course, that people that don't do what they're supposed to, they're gonna go there. It's terrible. I mean, it's something horrible, and I don't desire anyone to go there. So what would be the right approach? Should we desire that someone wicked goes there, or should we desire for that wicked person to do tshuva? And talk to them about Gehinom in order for them to do tshuva, but not desire them to go there, not wishing them to go to such a place.
So it's actually what the answer to the question. It's clearly in Gemara. So they say, so rabbis say, I wish this person to do tshuva, or if he does not, so it's let him drop that, whatever comes first. So I wish him to do tshuva. I want to help him. He's my brother. She's my sister. I want them to do tshuva very much. But if they don't want, and they continue going against my Father in heaven, again they continue to do Chol Hashem, it's better them to die, right? But of course, I mean, for a person, usually like arrogant people would say that he's going to Gehinom, she's going, like, why would you say it so? So like it's not. This statement does not help a person, right? So what is there is the expression nafkamina? What are you getting from that? What are you trying to achieve? So if you're trying to achieve others, to warn others, yeah, that's maybe you have to use a different language, right? But for that person, you're not helping. So people are very like defensive. They get very defensive. They're not going to listen to you. You understand? So it's not proper to say that, but it's proper to give people information and let them get from a third party, like third party where you send the link and they watch them and listen from someone else. Tell them and let them decide on their own, because if they don't want to change, whatever you say is not going to help. You understand? So that's the thing. So only a person who is ready to change, ready for whatever happened in their life, so ready for the next step, yeah, you can help them. Otherwise, like you can only provide the information and see what happens. Okay, what else?
Rabbi. Yeah, I was just thinking, like, I could be wrong on this, but I mean, so far I haven't seen like any prophet like wishing anyone to go to Gehinom. I mean, the ones that describe, or the sages that describe Gehinom and the punishments in Gehinom, they just describe the whole thing, and they just make like a detailed description of the person that is going to go there as a result of their actions. But they, as far as I know, they don't say like, oh, I wish this person would go to Gehinom when I wish this or that. Like, they just describe the whole situation, the whole scenario, but they don't desire anyone to go there. So.
Yes. That's our way. We give a person information. We say you don't do good, and like indirectly mention people who are doing this and that, and plus whatever you do, of course, like just mention. By the way, there is a consequences, and you talk about consequences, and give them more information, right?
Yes. Yeah, I was just gonna say that if the sages that spoke about Gehinom, not even them wished anyone to go there, why would people these days would dare to do that? Like that's what I was thinking.
Exactly. So plus it says that all Jews are responsible for one another, right? So and basically this person is not performing according to what Hashem wants, so it's our fault as well. You understand? So if we would be more righteous our family would be more righteous, other people around would be more righteous, maybe it would not enter this person's mind to act the way he acts or she acts. In a sense, so in some sense, it's our responsibility, our fault, because we have a person like that. So in some sense, like if he goes there, he said, okay, who else did not help you? Is whatever. Oh, this guy and that girl. So that's the problem. So that's why we don't wish them. We wish them to do teshuvah, and Hashem. If we consider the feelings, if you can say our father, the father does not want to kill anybody. He wants people to come back to him. Right? What is his benefit? So if he would want to kill somebody, he would keep it there. But he wants the person to live, and he wants the person to fulfill his purpose in life, and that's why he sent him here, not to kill, but actually to live and perform the Torah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.